y'all, what's up? My name is Sonali. Welcome to a new vlog. Today we are taking engagement photos. Finally, we got engaged in April, if you guys are new here, and we are finally taking the engagement photos. We've done like a couple photos like at the beach, like my dad took them, and they honestly looked really good. I think I might actually use one of those for my save the date. But if you didn't know, I'm a photographer here in Austin, and another photographer friend reached out to me to do a headshot swap, and then I was just like, you know what, I'll do your headshots and then maybe you can take my engagement photos. So that worked out perfectly. I just wanted to wait until it got a little bit cooler so we wouldn't be sweating too much. And today is like kind of an overcast day, which is a bummer, but as a photographer, I know that overcast days are actually kind of preferred because there's no harsh shadows on the faces. It just gives you like this nice diffusion for the light. But this morning it was really dark and overcast, so that's not the best, but like, you know, what are you gonna do? I actually booked a venue, well, not like the whole venue, but we're taking pictures at a hotel, Hotel Ella, and you have to pay to be able to take professional photography. I think it was like $150 an hour, $170 an hour, and we're gonna do an hour and a half. So it's kind of nice because I didn't have to pay for the photographer, so I was like able to, you know, budget that. A makeup artist reached out to me and she was like, hey, do you have anything that you want to be glammed for in the future, because I would love to do your makeup. And I was like, you know what, I'm actually doing my engagement photos and I would love that. So she's about to come over and we're about to get started on glam. I went ahead and did my hair so that once she's finished with makeup we can take like before and afters and get the full effect. But I'm really excited to see how these photos turn out. We got the setup all ready.
Hi, I am Shaza. My Instagram handle and TikTok handle is @stainedmakeup. I'm here to do Sonali's makeup for her engagement shoot.
Yes, what vibes are we going for today?
Ooh, matte, long-lasting, kind of something timeless, I would say, right?
Yes,
okay.
Definitely. I want like to be airbrushed.
Do you want like a smoked out wing, or do you want...
whatever you want.
Yeah, it'll look nice, I think.
Okay, perfect. This blush is just like so good. Oh my god, my cheekbone's like
popping. Yeah.
higher or like lower and then tilt onward. There we go. Okay, ready?
3, 2, 1.
I do not know where this day went, you guys. It's almost 3:30 and we're supposed to be there at 3:30. There is pretty bad traffic today too, but we're gonna get there right on time, thank goodness, because the glam session was chatty, I will say. I was being really chatty, so I think it definitely took a little bit longer than we anticipated. I mean, not even that much longer, but still. I asked for the time and then I was like, holy shit, I just got so stressed because I was like, oh my god, I didn't get like a bag together, I didn't get like touch-ups together, so I like randomly like threw a bag together, got my second outfit change, and we were out the door. But the makeup turned out so good. You guys have to check her out on Instagram if you are in Austin. I feel like she mainly does a lot of Indian bridal looks, but she is definitely like, I mean, I wanted like more of like an American bridal look, so she freaking slayed. And I think I might have to get this foundation because it looks so good. I think she used the Double Wear foundation. Is that Clinique? This is a lesson learned for my wedding day because I thought I was gonna have so much time to like film TikToks afterwards and like get dressed with me TikToks. Oh my god, like I was running out the door, and I'm definitely gonna have to start my makeup way earlier than I even think, because I just don't want that rushed feeling. I feel like being rushed, you're not able to be as present in the moment, so that's like something I definitely want to avoid on wedding day. But anyways, we're gonna get there just in time, so no need to stress, even though I just need to like breathe and take a chill pill because it's gonna be so good. The sun is like coming and going out. It's definitely more of an overcast day, which again, I told you guys I didn't really mind, but hopefully it just stays like brighter outside. I'm just worried about it getting dark too quickly because it is kind of like more closer to the city with a lot of buildings around it. We are home from our engagement session. We did like almost 2 hours of shooting at the Hotel Ella, which was a lot. I was like a puddle of sweat, you guys. Like, I chose this date because I know my man sweats. I know I sweat. I was literally sweating more than Ryan, which usually never happens. I don't know what the heck was going on, but it was so humid and so hot. And then like even inside the hotel, like wasn't even cool. Just like, please turn on the AC before I freaking die. But I think the photos turned out so good. He did an amazing job. I met Steven through grad photography at UT. He actually went to UT, but he is getting into like the wedding industry. So if you guys are getting married in Austin or just like anywhere, I think he could probably travel. Definitely reach out to him, and he does like couples and everything. And I feel like his editing style is very similar to mine, just like bright and airy and just like so creamy and beautiful. So I'm just very excited to see the photos. I did give him my SD card so that I could have it immediately after the session. That way I could cull my own photos and edit my own photos. And that is a perk of being a photographer, working with a photographer friend. Honestly, with all that sweating, I'm so surprised that my makeup looks as good as it does. I feel like I'm not used to seeing myself with this eyeshadow, but I really love what she did. I didn't go for any shimmers. I just did like a matte brown situation. Ever since getting home from our wedding in Charleston, Ryan's brother just got married. We've been go, and I've been having so many photo shoots because I'm trying to squeeze everyone in before I leave for the holidays. So everything's been so busy, but tomorrow I finally have a day at home. It's actually going to be raining all day, so I had to reschedule some people to some other days, which that means I'll just be more busier on those days. But I'm just so grateful for all the business that's coming my way. Hey y'all, it is the next day. It's already after dark because it's literally 5:30 and it's dark. It's so sad. I'm like still not over that this happens every single damn year. But we are going to a fun event tonight, like a little Christmas party at Cezanne on South Congress. So I thought I would bring you guys along for that. But before we do that, I'm just trying on a few things. Well, a few. I actually made a big order because I discovered Shopbop's sale section. Like obviously I had a sale section, but I honestly found like some really good prices. I'm not saying like cheap, okay? Well, actually some of the prices were like really cheap, but really good affordable prices for such high quality items and brands that I know make really good high quality stuff. Sometimes I'll get into the mood where I'll not really care and like buy fast fashion and like cheap things. And then like 2 times a year, I'm like, okay, let me like splurge and get some like good basics. So this top, for example, is from Reformation. I can't remember if all of these were on sale. I don't think so, but majority were on sale. And I made sure to check if like they were final sale. I think I got like a few things that were final sale. But anyways, this is one of the tops that I'm trying on. I think I like it. I feel like I could pair this with a lot of stuff, like a skirt, pants, you name it. So I think this is a keep. You'll notice that I didn't really purchase a lot of color. I'm just like, again, looking for nice, high quality basics. And also like whenever I go to a photo session that's like a little bit nicer, like for an event, and then I can't just show up in like running shorts and a t-shirt, I have such a hard time finding something that's super comfortable in my closet. I also bought a dress with pockets, which I feel like will be really good. But just like something like this and some nice slacks, like nothing too tight, you know? This one is a halter top. It's not adjustable on top, and it was a little bit tight getting on, so it wouldn't be for photography, but just like going out, just like a cute little black top to have. Can you believe that peplum is back in style? I think this is just the cutest little baby doll top. Here's another Reformation top. I think it's like very similar to the one I previously showed you guys, so I wanted to see how both of them fit and which one I liked the best. I feel like this is a little bit more like casual everyday t-shirt. The other one is a little bit more like going out, but it would be stupid to keep both, right? Like I feel like that would be dumb. How cute is this dress? It has a very like Indian inspired design to it. This dress is even better. I love the detailing on the end. And here is the dress that I feel like is perfect for photography because it has pockets. I'm pretty sure this was the set that was on major sale.
I could sit in this.
We're making one of my favorite Indian dishes. These are goat chops. My mom and dad made these for me when I was younger, and I feel like this is what they make me every single time when I come home. So we have to get the mutton chops, and my mom said to rinse it first.
Well, I just rinse everything. I'm gonna first pressure cook the mutton chops. So basically, I just added water in here and I put it in the pressure cooker. I'm gonna close it. So you can use an Instapot and turn it on high. When it starts to boil and the pressure builds up, it just starts spouting out
Like water?
steam.
Steam.
Yeah.
So how many minutes though? You just keep checking?
When it starts to do that, I think I'll wait a minute and then I'll turn it off.
Because we don't want the meat to get too mushy.
Yeah, we don't want it overcooked. So this is the potato sabji that goes in the masala dosa. We're just basically boiling the potatoes to cook it. It was under pressure for 3 minutes. I don't know how well this pressure cooker works, so I just turned it off and I removed it from the heat because it's still under pressure. I'll let the pressure release and then I'll open up the cooker and we'll see if it's cooked yet. Open up a pressure cooker before it's time. You cool it down. So this is cold water. See the water? Oh, and it just released.
Oh,
Did
okay.
you see?
Yeah.
So the pressure is released. Okay, now I'm opening it up and we'll see whether it's cooked or not. I mean, it's not, we don't want it fully cooked.
Right. That pan's
'Cause we're-
hot.
Yeah, it's a little hot.
Mommy superpowers.
Yes. I think, I mean, it's cooked and we're gonna fry it.
This is the spice we use for the chops, and if you cover it in a lot of this, it gets pretty spicy, so just be careful. But obviously you want that seasoning to make it really flavorful. So I feel like that's like still a lot.
Yeah. You could
So
do
how
less.
do you just sprinkle it on? If you don't want that
Don't
much?
press it as hard.
Okay. Well, that's one. We're going for a little bit more spicy now, so we're just gonna kind of coat it a little bit more.
I have to use my hand.
It's time to cook the lamb chops. These are the less spicy ones. You can see there's not too much seasoning on it. And we're gonna fry them. So she just put some, what was this, olive oil?
Yes.
Oh, here goes nothing.
Put one the other way around. Okay. Yeah. You should lower the heat because it needs to cook a little bit longer. Yeah. Yeah.
Let's hope we didn't make them too spicy. There's spicier ones in the other container. But I like mine salty and flavorful, but sometimes I add too much seasoning and I forget that it's actual spices. Here's a spread. Mommy made a roasted peanut chutney.
To you.
Happy birthday, dear Sonali.
And mommy in 10 days.
Happy birthday to you.
Okay, mommy, you get a candle too, okay?
Okay.
Ready? You have a wishes in your head?
Okay, wait. Okay. Okay. Got it.
Okay, ready?
Yay! My sister got me this purse from
Tushy. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. Toshi.
It's like so bridal, but like Indian inspired. So
and
pretty.
it's gonna be perfect for a batch.
Yes, and fits the Canon. So pretty. I have officially entered my last year of my 20s. I don't feel like I'm like 24 anymore. I definitely feel like more mature and older, But like the fact that I'm this close to 30, I'm just like, okay, where did the time go? Tonight I'm celebrating with my dad and my sister's coming. We're gonna get sushi. Ryan's meeting us there so I could just see him. I haven't seen him in like a day, which isn't that much, but I feel like we're always around each other because he works from home, I work from home. So I feel like a day actually is kind of a lot. I'm wearing this really cute Astra the Label romper. I feel like it's giving corporate vibes, but I don't know, I really like it, so I thought I would wear it for my birthday. I just finished my little birthday transition, so that was fun, but I think I'm gonna vlog the rest of the night on my iPhone.
Wait, make a wish, blow up big like a candle. I'm too hot for you to handle.
So the Dancing with the Stars finale was on tonight while we were at dinner, and I was telling Ryan, let's just like look up who won because it's gonna be all over my For You page either way, but we would have to wait till tomorrow to watch on Hulu. And then we realized it was 3 hours long and there was a full hour more that we could watch. So we're watching it and we get to find out who wins. We've definitely gotten into Dancing with the Stars this season. I feel like this is probably the best season that they've had in a really long time. Like I feel like they've gotten so many viewers because they just have such a great cast. I remember my mom watching the show when I was younger and I like wasn't really into it, and I really never thought I would be, but honestly they just like are doing a really good job with the casting and getting more people watching. So anyways, we're really into it and we'll see. I think Alex Earl's gonna win, to be honest, or Robert Irwin, but I kind of hope Alex wins a little bit more. We'll see. I just feel like Robert has a really good presence about him. He's been like media trained since day one.
About to take home the Len Goodman Mirrorball Trophy.
After weeks of intense competition, it's time for the final result.
The winners and new champions of Dancing with the Stars are...
Alex. I kind of feel like it's Robert.
Well, you want to do Robert?
Oh my gosh. Damn. Go, Robert.